Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the keyboard not working problem on Roblox. First, close the game completely. Right-click on your taskbar, open Task Manager, find the Roblox game client, and click End Task. Once it closes, you can exit the window. Now search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the Keyboard section, right-click on your keyboard driver, choose Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Select Search Automatically, and once it says the best driver is already installed, click Close. Next, open your Windows settings. Scroll down to Ease of Access, then go to Keyboard. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Keyboard. Turn off all options like sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys. These features often cause typing issues, so make sure they are all switched off. Now open CMD by searching for it, then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Type this command, dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore health. Press Enter and wait 4 to 5 minutes for the process to finish. After it reaches 100%, type Exit to close the window. Finally, restart your computer. After the restart, your Roblox keyboard issue should be fixed. That's it, guys. You're good to go. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.